What's up guys, Justin here of Tech. And gaming smartphones today are usually huge and chunky, which is understandable considering that these devices need space to house features such as shoulder triggers, cooling systems, and monstrous batteries. But what if you can get those gaming features in a slimmer package? Well, this Nubia REDMAGIC 6R made that possible. If you want to know our initial thoughts about this device, then just keep on watching. So the REDMAGIC 6R comes in this black box with red and silver accents. It looks pretty cool. Now lifting up the lid, there's a smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, a warranty paper, and this clear jelly case. Under that is the phone itself, then the charging brick, a Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, and a USB Type-C cable. And that's everything. Now let's talk about the design. One of the things that surprised us about this REDMAGIC 6R is its lightweight and slim body. It only measures 7.8mm thin and weighs 186 grams. That's the dimension of a typical smartphone. It's a premium device which you'll immediately notice the moment you take it out of the box. It's got a cool metal frame with some antenna bands all around, and it also has recessed centers for better grip, Gorilla Glass 3 on the front, and glass at the back. We like how the design at the back makes the phone look really high-tech, but not as intimidating as other gaming smartphones. In other words, it looks cool. Flipping to its front, the REDMAGIC 6R is equipped with a large 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a full HD resolution or 395 pixels per inch. In addition, it supports up to 144Hz refresh rate and a touch sampling rate of 400Hz. There's no doubt that this display is buttery smooth. You can also find on the screen its in-display fingerprint scanner. Then, as you can see on top, there's a hole punch notch for the 16-megapixel selfie camera, and of course at the bezel part is the earpiece. You can also find a pinhole for the secondary microphone at the top frame. Located on the right side are the metal buttons for the power and volume keys. They're solid and clicky but don't rattle. Also found on this side are the pressure-sensitive shoulder trigger buttons with a 400Hz touch sampling rate. Down below we can find the USB Type-C port, main microphone, card tray for dual nano SIMs, and loudspeaker. Unfortunately, we don't have a dual speaker setup here. For cameras, we have a quad camera module consisting of a 64-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 5-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth. Then you can also see the LED flash. We used the cameras for a quick spin, and here are some sample shots that we got. Alright, let's talk about the internals. Under the hood, the REDMAGIC 6R is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, together with an Adreno 660 GPU, up to 12GB of RAM, up to 256GB UFS 3.1 internal storage, and a 4200 mAh battery with support for 30 watts fast charging. As for software, it runs on REDMAGIC OS 4.0 that's based on Android 11. When it comes to cooling, the REDMAGIC 6R doesn't come with a fan, unlike other gaming smartphones, but an accessory is available as a separate purchase. We'll update you guys about its thermals in our full review soon. When it comes to price, the Nubia REDMAGIC 6R is available on the global REDMAGIC website. Its 8GB plus 128GB Cosmos model is priced at $499, while the 12GB plus 256GB Mercury is priced at $599. We're excited to use this device in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for our full review. And that's it for this video guys. What do you think about this Nubia REDMAGIC 6R? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.